Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina. I'm here with my daughter, accompanying her for her treatment. Her name is Lennii. She's 15 years old and we're from Vanuatu. We came through Vaidam to Medanta Hospital for her heart treatment. So she underwent valve replacement, and the experience that we had while at Medanta Hospital was very, very good. It's a very good experience. We were taken care of. We had nurses who were always there attending to her needs, and the hospitality was very good. We were not felt left out, not thinking about home because of how they treated us. And we thank you for the opportunity, especially to Vaidam for allowing Lennii to come here and did her treatment. And we thank you for the opportunity that she had to come and undergo this treatment. And thank you to the Medanta team, the doctor and all the nurses who were so friendly and very caring towards Lennii. So we thank you.